So today we will continue our lesson, the chapter number 2 for class 2. It's a computer hardware. Everybody should has to open the page number 13. Everybody should has to open the page number 13 in the book. It's 1 3. Everybody open the book. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, everybody open the book. Say
Yes.
yes or no. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's great. That's great. Okay.
On
Yes.
page
So
13.
so
Yes, I open it.
okay, that's great. If you open it, that's great. Okay, okay. Now we will start the page number
Sir,
13. Yes.
sir, to
Open it.
tuition,
Sorry, what are you saying? What are you saying?
to please I say tuition.
Your voice is not clear. Kindly repeat it again.
هذا السوشيال احنا هنا ساينس كمبيوتر
We didn't do page number 12.
Question number 12. Where is question
Yeah.
number 12?
We didn't do it.
We will do it. We will do it. Not right now. After some time we will do it. Not
Hello,
right now.
sir.
We will do it after some time. Not right now. We will do it after some time.
Sir, he is saying to write this in notebook.
No notebook. Okay.
गुड
We
मॉर्निंग
will
क्यों
do
नहीं
this.
कहता?
Okay. Now everyone listen. Everyone listen. We will do question page number 12 and 13 in the next class, or so after some time. First we will do the page 13. Then we will do the paper. Then we will do the page 12. First we will do the page number 13. So everybody should have to open the page number 13. On the page number 13, the topic is the CPU. Okay, the CPU. Okay, so any one of you, okay, let me unmute all. You guys can unmute yourself now. Can anyone tell what is the full form of CPU? Anyone can answer. Anyone can answer. Can you tell me what is the full form of CPU? Anybody? Anybody from the students? You guys can unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I don't. Sir, I'm late for the
Okay. Okay.
Here.
It's not an issue. You can open the page 13. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. If you see on the page number 13, if you see on the page number 13, there is a picture. Everybody see in the book page number 13. Everybody see in your book on the page 13, there is a picture, and this picture is showing what? This picture is showing the CPU. This picture is showing the CPU. Okay, so the CPU. What does CPU do? CPU runs the computer, because computer cannot be run or on without CPU. So what does CPU is doing? The CPU inside the system unit is the computer's brain. Okay. For example, if someone asks you what is your name, you will tell your name, but where your name is stored? It's in your brain. It's in your brain. It's in your head. Okay. So let's suppose you download the cartoons from the internet. So where is the cartoons? Where is the game? Where are the pictures in computer? Pictures, game, and all the things are in CPU. All the things are in CPU. They are in the memory, because memory is inside the CPU. So CPU, in the CPU inside the system unit is the computer's brain. So it's a brain of computer. Computer can think from the CPU. Computer can think from the CPU. We humans think from mind, from brain, but CPU think from CPU. Computer can think from CPU. So the CPU inside the system unit is the computer's brain. So computer can think from the CPU. The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. It means that this thing will doing the processing. Okay. When you are sleeping, what you are doing? You are sleeping. When you are walking, what you are doing? You are doing a walking. So each and every work has some name. For example, you are listening something. So someone asks, what are you doing? You will say, I am listening something. So you are doing a work. Sometime you are listening, sometime you are walking, sometime you are jogging, sometime you are watching cartoons. So you are doing a work. Each and every work has name, like walking, jogging, watching. So in the same way, CPU will also work. And the work of CPU is called as processing. What does CPU do? CPU do processing. What does CPU do? CPU do processing. So it's a central processing unit. Okay, it's a central processing unit. Means this unit means the device. It's a device which do processing. And the word central shows that this device controls the whole computer. It's central. Okay, it's center. It's a main device which control all the things of the computer. So CPU stands for central processing unit. Okay. So what does CPU means? What does CPU means? CPU means central processing unit. CPU means central processing unit. Yes. Can anyone tell? You guys can unmute yourself. You guys can unmute yourself. Okay. Can anyone tell what does CPU stands for? Okay. Page number 13. Page number 13. Page number 13. Okay. So
Number
can
13.
page number 13. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me that what is the full form of CPU? Can anyone tell me what is the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU? Okay. Listen everyone. Listen everyone. Listen once. Okay. Those who joined the class late, those who joined the class late, I told you this thing. We will do page 12 after some time. First we will do this. If you join class late, then first listen that what we are doing. Okay, everyone listen this. Everyone listen this, that what we are doing. And then see, I in the start I told this thing that we will do page 12 after some time. First we will do page 13, then we will do page 12. It's okay, we will do it in the class. We will do this page in the live class. But right now we are doing the page 13. So can anyone tell me the full form of now? No one will ask the page number. I write the page number here. I write the page number here. We are studying the page number 13. It's written over there. See, I write it here. Okay. So everybody should have to be on the page number, and no one will ask for the exercise right now. We are studying right now. You only have to listen. You don't have to write anything on the notebook right now. You only have to listen the things. Okay. So can anyone tell me? You guys can unmute yourself now. Can anyone tell me the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU?
Unit.
Very good. Okay, everyone will say. Everyone will say. Everyone will say. Okay, some people, some students are not saying this thing. Okay, so some people are not saying this thing. Everyone will say it's a central processing unit. Everyone will say. Everyone will say. Ashraf, Rafiq, Omar, Omar Hassan, Omar Hassan, Nusaiba, okay, Mohammad Haitham, Abdul Rahman, Farooq, Saeed, Sami, Mashari, Mehraj, Ilyas, okay, Aus, Asif, Anas, Amal, everyone will say.
Unmute.
Everyone will say. Everyone will say.
Unmute.
Everyone is open. You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. Okay. Everyone can unmute yourself. Okay. Everybody, the names which I took, everyone will say. What is the full form of CPU? Everyone will say it's central
Process of unit.
central processing unit. Central processing unit. Everyone will say. Everyone will say. Everyone. Everyone. Okay. Okay. Us. You are not saying. Boss, Asir, Ilyas, Maharaj. Good. Good. That's great. Very well done. Very good. Very good. So many students are saying this thing. Okay, let me unmute the Hatim. Okay, it's Hatam. Okay. So Hatam, could you kindly tell me the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU? Hatam, can you tell me the full form of CPU? Hatam. Okay. It's Mohammad Farooq. Where is Mohammad Farooq? Mohammad Farooq is not there. Okay. Let me edit. Okay. Okay. Mohammad Farooq, could you tell me the full form of CPU? Mohammad Farooq.
Central Processes Unit.
Good, good, very good. Okay. So some people are not saying anything. Let me check. Okay, Mama Shemas, you didn't say anything. Yes, Mama Shemas, what is the full form of CPU? Shemas, are you listening me? Shemas. Yes, what is the full form? What is the full form of CPU? Yes. Very good. That's great. Okay, let me see who didn't answer. Okay, Mashari. Mashari, what is the full form of CPU? Mashari, what is the full form of CPU? Where is Mashari? Okay. Yes. Mashari, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Mashari, you can unmute yourself. Your friends will listen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the full form of CPU? Can you tell me? It's Central Processing Unit.
What?
It's say central. Say
Yeah.
this central. Say it. Say it. Say it central.
I
Mashari,
can't hear you well.
okay. Say Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Okay. It's okay. Who's there? Ashraf. Ashraf. Ashraf, kindly tell me the full form of CPU. Ashraf. Yes. Tell me the full form of CPU. Yes, please. Okay. Saud. Saud Alamir. Yes, Saud. Tell me the full form.
Yes.
Yes. What is the full form?
Uh,
Central Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Okay. Okay. Now, Sharif, tell me the full form of CPU. Yes, Sharif.
Central Processing Unit.
Very good. So many students tell me the full form. So many students tell me the full form. Very good. So now we are moving towards the next one. So CPU is the central processing unit. It is the brain of computer. So the work that computer does is called processing. The computer which the work that computer does is called processing. The work which computer does is called processing. We do the work. When we do the work by sleeping, it is called sleep. Okay. When we are doing work by walking, we call it walk. Okay. When we do work by running, it's a running. So we have different names for the work, but the work computer can do, the CPU can do, is called processing. The work computer can do, it is called processing. So CPU is the brain of computer. CPU is brain of computer, and the full form of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. The work that CPU does is called processing. The work that CPU does is called processing. The work CPU does is called processing. So computer, the CPU do the processing for us. When you watch cartoon, when you listen song, when you watch video, when you type on computer, when you draw things on computer, Computer, the CPU is always doing the processing, and because of that processing, you will use computer, and because of that computer, because of that processing, you will use the computer. Okay, now the CPU prepares. The word prepare means to made. The word prepare means to made. Okay. So we prepare food, we make food, we prepare the things. Okay, we made things. So CPU prepares. CPU also made what? CPU prepares the data and processes and processes data. Processes means do the work on the data. Okay, let's suppose you are cooking a food. So first what you do, you will prepare the things. Let's suppose you bring something from the market, and you bring the stuff from the market, and after bringing the stuff, then you start cooking. In the same way, CPU prepare different things and then starts processing. We start cooking, processor computer start processing. So in the same way, computer do the processing. Computer, the CPU do the processing. CPU prepares, make ready everything for the computer and starts processing. Okay. Okay. Now let me clear this one, this screen. Okay, so that we will do this. Okay. So okay, let me take a my mouse. Okay. So what does CPU do? CPU is a brain of computer, because computer can think from the brain. CPU is the brain of computer. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit, and CPU do the processing. The CPU prepares and processes the data. Computer, the CPU do the processing. Okay. Now the CPU controls and store. CPU controls and store what? CPU controls and store what? Store and control the data, the movies, the cartoons, the games, the pictures, the drawings, each and everything is stored in the computer. So CPU control and store the data that goes from one part of the computer to the other part. Okay, how data is going from one part? Let's suppose you play the song, you play the music. So your song is in the computer, but it is playing from the speaker. You are listening the song from the speaker. So your computer is basically controlling the data. The data is moving from CPU to speaker. The data is moving from CPU to speaker, and you are listening the song from the speaker. So in this way, the data is moving from one part of the computer to the another part. Let's suppose you are printing a picture. You are printing a picture using a printer. So the picture is inside the computer. When you print it, this picture will be sent to printer. In this way, your data will pass from one part from CPU to the other part to the printer. So in this way, your data is passing from one part of the computer to the another part. Okay. So what does CPU do? What does CPU do? CPU is a brain. CPU is a brain of computer. It do processing. CPU do processing, and CPU prepares and process data. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU control and store all the things which are going from one part of computer to another part of the computer. So, everyone understand? Say yes or no. You guys understand? Say yes or no. Everyone understand? You guys can unmute yourself now. Everyone understand? You guys can unmute yourself, please. Everyone
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
Okay.
I
Okay.
stand.
Thank you. Okay. 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 Saud, you are saying something. You want to ask any question, Saud?
No.
Okay. Okay. You
I
raised the
want
hand.
to
That's
write
why.
page number 12.
Page number 13. Page number 13. Okay. Umar Hassan. Umar. Umar, you raised the hand. You want to say something? Umar, you want to say something? Okay. Sheriff, you want to say something, Sheriff?
Yeah,
Yes, say it fast.
we can we can say we can learn also in the computer and we can listen the in the Zoom and the computer also. We can
Yes,
listen
you are right.
and learn
Yes. Yes, you are
and
right.
listen the track.
Okay. Okay. You are right. You are right. Okay. Umar Hassan. Yes, Umar Hassan. You want to say something?
Sir,
Yes, say it. Everyone should have to open the worksheet from the class era. Yes, Umar, what are you saying? You want to say something? You raise the hand, Umar.
I want to say this have seat or no.
Sorry, what are you saying?
This this have sheet on course material.
Yes, this sheet is in the course material. It's in the course material. It's there. Every worksheet would
Okay,
be in the
okay,
course material. Okay, you're
okay.
welcome.
He's
Okay, so now everyone should have to open the worksheet. We will do the worksheet. It's very much easy. We will do it in 2 minutes. Okay, it's a very easy worksheet. Yes, Saud, you are saying something, Saud.
Sir, I don't finish page number 12.
We will do it in the next class. I told you we will do it in the next class. I told you. I told in the start that we will do this in the next class. We will do page 12 and 13 both in the next class. We will do it. Okay. Everyone should open the worksheet. Yes, Sheriff, what are you saying?
Sir, I can't open the worksheet because I am working in tab.
Okay, worksheet is available in class error. Adam, you are saying something, Adam?
I am not have a worksheet. My
It's
mom
in,
in school.
okay, you can open
My
the course
sister.
material. You can open the class material. It's available there. Everyone can open. Okay. So, so the first question of the worksheet is parts of computer. Parts of computer together help a computer system to do what? Help a computer system to do what? Okay, helps a computer to do what? To work or to enjoyment? To work or to do enjoyment? Okay. So I will ask myself from the many students. Okay. Ilyas. Ilyas, what is the answer? You want to answer?
What?
Are you see my
What?
screen? Are you see my computer screen?
Yes.
Okay, can you answer it? All the parts of the computer together will help a computer system to do work or to do
What?
enjoyment. Work, okay. Ilyas is saying work. Okay, let me see who else is there. Okay, Mohammed Sami. Mohammed Sami. Mohammed Same. Mohammed Same, do you want to answer for this question? Mohammed Same, what do you think? What is the answer? Mohammed Farooq. Mohammed Farooq, what is the answer for this question?
What?
Okay. Okay. Rafiq. Rafiq, what is the answer for this question? Rafiq. Rafiq, you don't raise the hand and you didn't saying the answer. Okay. Omar Shahir. Omar Shahir. Omar Shahir. Omar, you can answer this question.
Yes.
Okay, answer it.
Where? What's
Work.
the question?
Question is saying the parts of all the parts of the computer together help a computer system to do what? All the parts of the computer will help computer to do work or to do enjoyment. To do work or to do enjoyment. What do you think?
To
Work?
do work. To do
Work.
work.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Very good, everyone. So the right answer for the question number one is work. The right answer for the question number one is work. So because all the parts can help us help computer to do the work because they are not doing the enjoyment. They are doing the work. So the right answer for the question number one is A. It's work. It's WORK. WORK. And then let me clear it. Let me erase the answer so that we will move towards the next question. Okay. The next question is saying a dash. A dash is used. A dash is used. Display drawing, words, games, and cartoons. A dash is used to display drawing, words, games, and cartoons. From which the word display means show. The word display means show. Which thing show us games, words, or cartoons, or the drawing? Okay. Which shows us the thing? Okay, keyboard? No, because there is no screen on the keyboard. Can CPU show us the drawing? No, because there is no screen on the CPU. Can mouse show us the drawing, words, games, and cartoons? No. So, which thing will give us? Okay. Okay, so Tahir will answer this. Tahir, yes, Tahir,
What?
what do you think? What is the answer? Which thing show us the game or words or drawing? What would be the answer? Can you tell me? Monitor. Okay, that's right. Very good. Very good. That's great. So Tahir gave the right answer. It's monitor. Okay, Ali Nizar, can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer for this? You didn't raise the hand and you are not saying anything. Yes, Ali Nizar.
What?
Okay. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this one? Yes, Ali, what are you saying? Okay, okay, okay.
The answer is
Yes, yes, answer is
monitor.
monitor. Very good. Okay, let me see. Let me see who didn't say any answer. Okay, okay. Who is this? It's okay. It's name is there. Okay. Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz Muhammad. Where is Abdul Aziz? Okay, yes. Abdul Aziz Muhammad, could you kindly tell me the
Yes.
answer? Could you kindly tell me the answer for this? Could you kindly tell me the answer for this?
Sir, which page?
We are at the question number two on worksheet. Which thing is used to display? Which thing is used to display the drawing? Two students give the right answer. Okay, I will tell. The right answer is the monitor. Thair gives the right answer. Two students give the right answer. It's monitor. It's monitor. The right answer for the question number two is monitor. Everyone should have to write this. It's Monitor. It's Monitor. Let me clear the screen so that we will move to the next question. Okay. Now, the next question is saying CPU controls all parts of a human or computer. Now, I will answer this question. The all parts of computer because we can think from the brain. So, CPU controls all parts of computer. So, the right answer for the question number three is computer. CPU controls all part of the computers. The right answer is computer for question 3. For question 3, the right answer is this. Okay. So now I I will go to question number 4. Okay, let me clear the screen first. We will do the question number 4. Question number 4 is saying a keyboard used to dash words or numbers on the computer. Keyboard is used to scratch. Keyboard is used to write. Keyboard is used to type. So the right answer for this is keyboard is used to type. Keyboard is used to type. Keyboard cannot write. Keyboard can type. The right answer is type. Keyboard is used to type words or numbers on the computer. It's type on the computer. So the right answer for question number 4 is type. The right answer for the question number 4 is type. Okay, it's type. It's type. Let me clear the screen and then we will go to question number 5. The last question is saying dash help us to draw, paint, and play games. Which help us to draw games, draw drawing. It's mouse. Mouse help us to draw, paint. Mouse help us to draw, paint. So it's the answer is mouse. It's mouse. Mouse help us to draw, paint, and play games. So mouse is the right answer for this. Okay, you can draw the drawing in paint using the mouse. So in this way, we are done with the worksheet. In this way, we are done with the worksheet. So our period is over, class timing is over. There is one assignment for you. There is one small assignment for you in class era. You can do it in very less time, in 1 or 2 minutes. Everyone should have to go and do the assignment. Everyone should have to go and do the assignment. It's available there. So the period is over now.